France is renowned for its rich fashion history and vibrant cultural festivals that celebrate both traditional and contemporary designs. Here are some of the most famous designs and catwalks, along with descriptions of the cultural festivals that showcase them. Paris Fashion Week is one of the most prestigious events in the fashion industry, held twice a year to showcase spring, summer, and autumn-winter collections. Designers and brands. Iconic French fashion houses like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Givenchy, along with international designers, present their latest collections. Catwalk highlights. The catwalks often feature elaborate sets and innovative runway presentations. For instance, Chanel has transformed the Grand Palais into various fantastical settings, such as a beach, a supermarket, and even a space station. Cultural impact. This event sets global fashion trends and attracts celebrities, influencers, and industry insiders. It is a key moment for designers to showcase their creativity and influence the direction of fashion for the upcoming season. Though primarily a film festival, Cannes Film Festival is also a major fashion event, with its red carpet serving as a glamorous runway. Designers and brands. Luxury brands such as Dior, Chanel, Armani, and Valentino often dress celebrities for the red carpet. Red carpet highlights. Attendees wear stunning haute couture gowns and bespoke suits, making it a high-profile event for fashion statements. Cultural impact. The festival not only celebrates cinema but also highlights the synergy between film and fashion. It serves as a platform for designers to gain visibility and for celebrities to make iconic fashion moments. The International Festival of Fashion and Photography in Hyères is a significant event for emerging designers and photographers. Designers and brands. This festival showcases young, avant-garde designers who often go on to become influential names in the fashion world. Catwalk highlights. The event features runway shows, exhibitions, and competitions that emphasize innovation and creativity. Past winners include Victor and Rolf and Anthony Vaccarello. Cultural impact. The festival is a breeding ground for new talent and offers a unique platform for designers to gain industry recognition and launch their careers. Paris Fashion Night Out, also known as Vogue Fashion Night Out, is an evening event celebrating fashion in a more accessible and interactive manner. Designers and brands. High-end and emerging brands participate, opening their stores for special events, promotions, and parties. Event highlights. The night includes exclusive shopping experiences, live music, and art installations in chic Parisian neighborhoods like Le Marais and Saint-Germain-des-Prés. Cultural impact. This event democratizes fashion, making it accessible to the general public and fostering a festive atmosphere where fashion enthusiasts can engage directly with designers and brands. The Place Vendôme fashion shows are part of Paris Couture Week, focusing on haute couture collections. Designers and brands. Renowned couture houses such as Chanel, Christian Dior, and Valentino showcase their intricate, handcrafted designs. Catwalk highlights. These shows are characterized by their elegance and sophistication, often taking place in opulent venues that complement the luxurious nature of the garments. Cultural impact. Couture Week highlights the pinnacle of fashion craftsmanship and artistry, attracting a discerning audience that includes celebrities, royalty, and wealthy patrons. The Breton Fashion Festival celebrates traditional Breton clothing and contemporary designs inspired by Breton culture. Designers and brands. Both local artisans and modern designers who draw inspiration from Breton heritage participate in the festival. Event highlights. The festival includes fashion shows, exhibitions of traditional costumes, and workshops on Breton textile techniques. Cultural impact. This event preserves and promotes regional heritage while encouraging innovation and contemporary interpretations of traditional designs. The Mediterranean Fashion Festival in Marseille celebrates the fashion and culture of the Mediterranean region. Designers and brands. The festival features designers from Mediterranean countries, showcasing a blend of traditional and modern influences. Catwalk highlights. Runway shows often incorporate elements such as vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and flowing fabrics that reflect the Mediterranean aesthetic. Cultural impact. This festival fosters cross-cultural exchange and highlights the diversity and richness of Mediterranean fashion traditions.